Hello friend, welcome back to Swift programming language tutorial. In this video, we'll introduce the important data type in Swift, enumeration. So enumeration in enum is similar to structure and another one class. Okay, so we can define let's use the chessman as an example. So to define the enum, we do like that, enum, right? Chessman. So we can list all the cases, 6, right? Different chessmen. The first one, lowercase, king, and queen, and bishop, and rook, and knight, and the last one, pawn. Right? It compiles. Let's run it. Command R. Yeah, but it hasn't been used. How can we use that? So we can do something like let's define our variable like piece or yeah, chessman. Data type is this one. Our chessman equals, we can say, dot queen, right? So this is a variable with type of the enum chessman, and its value is this one, dot queen. Or we can, this is a shortcut for short form for this, right? Because Xcode or the compiler can infer this part. That's why we can, because it already knows, right? The data type is the enum chessman, so we can use the short form dot that. And let's give an example of the usage. Okay, we can, for example, can switch chessman and the case. We can list all the cases here, like dot king. Oh, let's see if we okay, let's remove this. I think the Xcode can help us with all the cases. So let's print out this is a king. By the way, command B will build without running. Oh, you see, now switch must be exhaustive, right? When we see the icon like a red circle, we can click that to fix. You see? Wow, cool, right? This is a king. Maybe we can do that. Chessman. So I don't need to, I can simply, right, make a copy of that. Just be lazy. Okay, now let's run it. this is a queen. Cool. And so if we change, right, the value to knight, run again, this is our knight, right? That's an example of how we use, for example, we can do the different code, right? Run different code based on what chessman is. For example, right, for one of the chess piece, we can make different decision based on the chessman type. Okay. So say if we comment out those things, we don't list all of them, we can put a default here, like that. Print this is some chessman, right? Let's see, run it. This is, oh, because knight wasn't listed, right, in the list of the 4 cases, so it drops to the default. Okay. Let's keep going to create another enum, like player. Okay, chess player enum, chess player. So we have white and black, right? Chess player, black, and the white moves first. Okay, now let's get rid of this one, create another one. We are player, the data type is chess player and equals white. Then we can switch, right? Player and dot white. Yeah, we can print this is white player, right? And we don't need that, because if we list all of them normally, yeah, case dot black print this is black player. Run it. This is white player. Okay, this, because we didn't change it, so we can use let and black. Run again. What I want to show you is, unlike this is black player, unlike the enum in most other program languages, Swift enum enumeration is much more powerful, very powerful. For example, we can create a computed property here, like that, var, and say we want to know, right, is white, is Boolean type, we can return, we can based on switch self, right, the self itself dot white, and we can return true, right? And otherwise case no break return false, right? So this is a computed property, not a stored property. There are two different properties in Swift. Stored, like this one, a stored property. This is computed property. Let's give a try. So we can print player dot is white, right? Run it, it should be false, right? Yeah, false. So if we change this one to white, we can, yeah, we can know the Boolean value of this one without the switch case structure, right? And we can simplify the code by using a ternary. Let's see, return if self equals dot white, right? We return true, otherwise we return false, right? Run it. Yeah, true. Okay, can we simplify the let's test it again. It's false, right? Can we simplify the code here? We don't need that, right? We just need this is the same, self equals that, right? It works. And since this is the single one we return, can we get rid of the return thing? Yes. Or we can we do that? This one just equal to that. Is that okay? Run it. Cannot find a self in scope. Okay. So we have to use this one, Boolean. Okay. This is fine. Okay, so this is the simplest form I can find. Those are two examples of enum, right? Chess player and the chessman. Inside this one, we provide a convenient computed property is white with Boolean type. Okay, great. Thank you for watching. See you next time.